Hey, so in this video, I'll show you how to generate super personalized wedding invitation messages in Google Sheets using AI. So you can see that I have all the data. These are the columns: recipients, relationship, a special note, wedding date, and venue about each of the guests that I want to send the invitation message to. And in this Google Sheets, I have app script and a custom scripts that can call multiple AI APIs like OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, Grok, Perplexity, XAI. So whatever model is suitable for your task, you can use it and generate any type of content. In this video, I'll be showing you how to generate the invitation message. So as you can see that I already have a prompt ready and the prompt is very detailed. You can see that it starts from write a fun and casual wedding invitation for my B2. B2 is friend and A2 which is Sarah, and mention the wedding date which is D2 date here. You can see that. Then at E2, which is the venue, include details like ceremony time 4 p.m., reception right after dress code, and the theme. Add a personal note C2, which comes from here. The message should be warm, lively, and in a friendly tone. Include RSVP instructions by June 1. Mention dietary restrictions and sign off with love, Richard, and Mina. Provide everything in plain text format. Do not use Markdown or HTML. This prompt is very detailed. And if I drag it down, you can see that it generates prompts for each of the rows, which is specific for the row. For example, if the name is Miss Taylor here, then it says in the prompt that invitation for my teacher, Miss Taylor, right? And now we can generate the invitation message. But before that, we will have to do some settings. So let's come here and you can see that I already have OpenAI key pasted, API key, and the temperature is set, max tokens, system prompts. You can write anything in the system prompt. You can be as detailed as you want. So the Claude key and all. But in this case, we'll be using the OpenAI key. So yes, that's ready. So let's start setting up. It asks data sheet name. So in this case, the data sheet name is invitation, as it's here, invitation, right? And I'll be using OpenAI. Yes, right? And then AI model. So in this case, I'll be using the new GPT 4.1. So either I can select from here GPT 4.1, or you can see all the available models for OpenAI here or other AI engines, these columns. So once the model is selected, I'll have to write a start row, end row. So I want to start from the row 2 and I want to process till row 6. So I'll have to write that from row 2 to row 6, right? And then prompts columns and output columns. So in this case, our prompt is in the column F and I want the output in the column G. So it's F and G and I want to process this. So I'll have to check it. And once everything is ready, I can just come here and click on the process sheets and it should start processing. But before that, it will ask me for the authorization. So yes, I clicked it. I'll select my email and I'll have to provide all the given permissions. So I'll select all and then continue. And the permission is given, and you can see that it's generating, it's running. And let's go through the output and see if it's good or not. Hey Sarah, we are trying tying the knot and absolutely can't imagine our big day without you there. Please join us for our wedding on June 20th, 2025 at Lakeside Manor, which is here. The date is coming from here, right? Ceremony starts at 4 p.m. with the reception to follow right after. Be ready for good food, laughs, and plenty of dancing. The theme is garden vibes and with flowers and fairy lights. So dress to impress in your best summer chic outfit. We'd love to know you are coming. So please RSVP by June 1, and if you have any dietary restrictions, just let us know. Can't wait to dance with you. With love, Richard and Meena. Right? And this is the next one. All the asked information that we ask in the prompt will be included in the output, because we are providing all the data and AI is not doing anything from its own memory. It's just writing whatever we are providing in the format that we want, and it's very personal. For example, we can read this one. Dear Miss Taylor, we are tying the knot and would be delighted to have you celebrate with us. Join us for our wedding on June 20th, 2025 at Lakeside Manor. Ceremony, reception, dress code, theme. We would be honored by your presence at our special day. Your joyful spirit would mean the world to us as we begin this new chapter. Please RSVP by June 1 and let us know if you have any dietary restrictions. With love, Richard. And so, yes, this is how you can generate hundreds and even thousands of personalized wedding invitation messages for your guests. And if you want to get the script, I'll include a link to it in the description below. You can just get the script and you will also receive detailed instructions on how to use it. And also, I'll be linking out to a detailed other video that you can watch to understand how exactly the script works and what else you can do with it. So that's it for the video, and see you in the next video.